We're always keeping it geospatial here at the 21st Annual Coastal Bend GIS Day, Wednesday, November 13th from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. It's located at the Del Mar College Center for Economic Development. The education track is going to be available for the general public and students and faculty 6th grade through 12th grade. We're going to have industry and organization booths, demonstrations and presentations covering geospatial technologies, geographic information systems, geomatics, surveying, unmanned aircraft systems. Del Mar College, Texas A&M Corpus Christi, Texas A&M Kingsville, Laredo Community College, and Coastal Bend College, plus industry and organizations in the geospatial and surveying technology fields. For information in regards to our Coastal Bend GIS Day, you can call us at 361-698-1478. You can also email us at jnelson1@delmar.edu. You can also contact us at the Center for Economic Development Corporate Services. So come on down to the Coastal Bend GIS Day, November 13th. That's Wednesday, November 13th.